Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send an email using Mailchimp from start to finish. So if you've ever felt confused about where to click or what to do next, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create and send your own email with confidence. So first, head over to your Mailchimp dashboard and click on Campaigns in the left-hand menu. This is where all your emails are managed. Then click on Email to start creating a new campaign. Next, go up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create Email button. This is start the process of setting up a new campaign. Now you'll choose how you want to build your email. You can either pick a template for a quick professional design or start from scratch if you want full control. Either way, you'll be taken into the email editor. Inside the editor, if Mailchimp prompts you to give your campaign a name, take a moment to choose something clear and descriptive. This name is only for your internal use, but it will make it much easier to organize, track, and find your campaigns later, especially as you create more emails over time. You can customize everything. Add your text, images, and logo, and arrange your content using the blocks. Keep your design simple. Use a clear headline and make sure you include a strong call to action button. Also, try to keep your fonts readable and your colors consistent with your brand. Once you're happy with how everything looks, take a moment to review your content one last time to make sure everything is clear, consistent, and aligned with your goal. Then go ahead and click Save and Exit, which you can find on the top corner. This will take you to the final setup screen where you'll complete the remaining steps before sending your email, such as selecting your audience, writing a subject line that grabs attention, and add preview text if you want. Then double-check your sender name and email and quickly review your content to make sure everything looks good. And once everything is set, that's it. You're ready to send your email. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more practical and easy-to-follow tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.